Yeah. Yeah, there's Reggie down there. Reggie! There go. There go Reggie down there. Reggie, what's up, baby? There go Frankie Flowers over here.
What's up?
What's up, baby?
Give it down shot of your vertical.
Yeah.
Like this, over top.
Yeah. There you go.
Get a shot of mine.
Huh? Shot of yours? Here. Yeah, what's up, baby?
That's Scott.
I'm out on my angle.
The angle. Not quite the Godfather, but it's all good. This is what we're doing. Braden's up there. They're mag drilling, bolts.
I got the phone back. Yeah. Yeah, we're up here hanging out down at the Philly Stadium. It's bedlam at the bank. Oh shit, there ain't nobody here. It was.
They got new turf.
We blew it, but we made it there. Got new turf. Surf and turf.
Hey, day 17 straight here.
Yeah.
We'll go to day 19.
That's right.
And then it'll be Christmas.
Yeah. Happy Kwanzaa.
We're very busy.
All right. Out. Roger Rabbit.